Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. You know, when I want to work with Livewire and I want to create a CRUD using the AI, in many times I want to create a CRUD with the Livewire page components. And if you go to Livewire documentation, we have components here and we have these page components. So components can be routed directly as a full page using Route Livewire, and I prefer this way to create a demo. And yeah, also we have a section here for pages. But when we work with AI, and if we say to create a full CRUD using pages or using full page components, it's not going to understand. So let me just come here, and I have prepared an application which is a Laravel with Livewire empty project, just with a starter kit. So if I come here and I'm going to open the OpenCode, I'm going to use with OpenCode. And let's change the model for now. I'm going to choose Big Pickle, which is a default one. So let's say create a full CRUD for posts using the Livewire for full page components. Okay, so create a full CRUD for posts using the Livewire for full page components. And if I say enter, we're going to see it's not going to work with them. Yeah, skill Livewire development, because if I open the agents, we have Livewire development, and if you go to skill, let's close this and I'm going to zoom it this one. You can see we have basic usage, creating components. We have single file component, we have a multi-file component, we have class-based component, which is version 3 style, and with namespace, but just specifying here the namespace, and this is a class component. Now, also if we scroll down, we have here the component format, single file. I'm going to zoom it out just because it's going to look more better. We have a single file here, multi-file, class-based, and view-based. View-based is inside the resources views Livewire, and for example, create posts. But we need another one, which is a full page components. And if we scroll down, we don't have, but we have only the single file, multi-file, class-based, and view-based. So if I see here, has created, so created the post model with migration, then created the post list Livewire component. And if I come here, scroll down to resources, views, pages, nothing. If I go to up and we have models, post model, okay, so I added the post, resources, Livewire, we have create post, edit post, which is okay, but I don't prefer this way. I want the same we have here. So we have pages, we have the auth, and yeah, if we want, we can say refer to these pages, but I like to just say use a full page components and directly to work with that. Now let's see. Yeah, run the migration. Now created the full CRUD. So if we navigate to this one without the S, so just copy that and come here, paste it. Here we have post, no post yet. Okay, we can go. And the design is out. So if I open another tab and just run the composer run dev to see, yeah, again, the design is not very good, but anyway, if I say create post, we have validation. So post created successfully, everything works. We have also the edit, but I don't prefer to use a Livewire component. I prefer to have page components inside the pages. For that, and here inside the OpenCode, only for OpenCode, I have added skills directory. Inside the skills, the Livewire dash pages, and here we have a skill, and this skill is created by the AI. It's created by the cloud AI. I'm going to uncomment because I have commented this, so let's select all and uncomment now. And this is a Livewire for full page route components. I'm going to save, and now let's go back from here and open again here we have the open composer and dev, but let's open this one. I'm going to close, and I'm going to open again the OpenCode. Okay, so now I'm going to say create a full CRUD for tasks, and I'm going to say to use this Livewire pages skill. Create a full CRUD for tasks using the Livewire for full page components. Okay, and then I'm going to say use the Livewire pages skill. I'm going to hit enter, and let's see. So you can see skill Livewire pages. Okay, read the model posts and global resources views pages to see the matches. Okay, so create a task migration. Oh, very good. And then it's going to create pages task index, pages task create, where to see. Create the task model. And I'm going to open back the Visual Studio Code. And here we have pages. Okay, so create also the task model with fillable title, description, and is completed. Then it's going to create the index blade PHP, the list task. Read the resources views pages settings. It's going to see how to proceed. And then we have pages task here, which right now is going to create the file. First make the dir, and then create task index, which is a full page. Also using here the layouts app. Okay, but it's not necessary because it's going to load by default, adding the routes in the web PHP. So let's go to routes, web PHP, and we have tasks using the pages. Look how good, pages task index, because here say livewire/posts and then pages post, but we don't have this. For that we have this underline error and done, so created successfully. We are going to see if we come here. Pages post index, you can see we don't have, but if I go to tasks, now what I want is to come here and just say add a link for tasks on the sidebar. Okay, so added also the link. Here's the link. Right now we don't have any tasks. We can go to tasks. If I say save, we have validation. Let's add this one. Redirect, we can edit, and it's going to work very good. But the idea was just when I want to create a full page component, I just want to say to the AI, create that, and it's going to create. And I achieved that by creating a skill in the OpenCode. If you go to let's come here, open a new tab, and I'm going to zoom it. Just cd in the .config OpenCode, and here we have, if I say ls, we have this skills. So ls-la, we have here skills, and if I cd the skills, we have here the Livewire pages skill. And if I say -la, we have only the SKILL.md, which is this one. Okay friends, that's it, what I wanted to show you in this video, how I use this skill in OpenCode when I want to create a Livewire for full page components. If you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I'm going to see you in the next video. All the best and see you there.